What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Workout Performance, and today we're going to be installing some more parts on the 240. All right, let's go. Alright YouTube, so we're gonna show you guys what we ended up getting for the 240. So we ended up getting this from Street Faction, which is this bracket right here. It changes up like the whole interior, so if you're going more for like the track car look, this is like the perfect thing. So shout out to them, they make awesome stuff. Obviously this is really good quality, it's metal, and it comes with a couple bolts, so you just gotta bolt it up, and then it fits these gauges perfectly. So we ended up just getting this from AutoZone. It's just a simple gauge for the oil, and then we have a Garrett turbo gauge, which already came with the car, so we're just gonna leave that in there. And then we also have a touchscreen car dual stereo that we're just gonna change out. It's super cheap, just to make the car look a little bit more modern. And then we have these kicker speakers that we're also gonna put in the car, which is gonna make the car sound way better. So all right, let's get to it. Okay, so for the door, how we took this off, there's a couple bolts on the side right here that you're gonna follow. You take those off, it's pretty simple. And then for the window thing right here that's on the door, you pretty much just disconnect the back right here. It has two connectors, which are these, and they're just clips. You just clip them off, and then the door frame should come off, which is right there. And then the speaker has, I think like 4 bolts. You just use a Phillips screwdriver, take those off. And then for the wiring right here, like we spliced this one, and it was pretty much just a plug and play, and all we're gonna do is mount that back on, and it should be ready to go with the new stereo system that we're installing. Cool. We got sound.
Alright, to wire this up, I just pretty much follow like the yellow wire with the yellow one, the red one with the red, and blue with the blue in the back of the car system. And that's pretty much it. I just cut the wires and spliced them, and I did butt connectors, and that's it. Just make sure to follow the color, and that's pretty much all.
How do you like the stereo? It looks good so far, huh?
Yeah, it looks pretty clean, man.
You want to show them the old one we had? Do you know where it's at?
I put it over there.
Oh shit. See, this is pretty much what it is. How the new speaker is gonna look like, and then this is the old speaker that we had.
I have this with this right here, so. Oh.
Big difference, huh?
Yeah, old fashioned for sure. It's more modern. Looks clean too.
So once we put the bracket right here with the gauges, it should look really clean and all tie together perfectly. So it should look like a brand new car once we're done with it. All right, let's keep going, guys. Alrighty guys, so we just finished the install, and let me tell you, it's a night and day difference how good the interior looks now. So let me show you. So from the before and after, from what you guys saw, like, this fits so flush and so perfect on it. And obviously the good thing about it, you could just have your gauges here and everything just looks clean, and the stereo fits pretty perfect too. And then later on we're probably going to change this, and we already have a new boot, so we'll probably install that and get a new shift knob just so all this ties in very nicely and flush, and the interior starts to look a lot better than what it is now. But yeah, there it is. It's a super simple install. Like I said, we'll leave everything in the description below. That way if you guys want to pick this up, you guys could do so.
Guys, so that pretty much wraps up today's video. It was a simple install, like nothing too crazy, just a little bit of wiring that we had to splice, and that was pretty much it.
And also, don't forget, we should have more videos coming out soon. We have some parts on the way. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our videos. We appreciate all the support, obviously. Let us know in the comments if we should do anything else to the car, or what you guys think we should do or for our next install, just to help us out. And we really appreciate you guys watching our videos and the likes as well. So we'll catch you guys on the next episode, and thanks for tuning in.
Peace
Later.
out.
Fight.